Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Grok AI Image to video generator. Okay, I'll be honest, the first time I tried Grok's image to video feature, I expected it to be complicated. Turns out it's actually pretty smooth once you know where to click. Let's head over to the Imagine section, and at the bottom, let's switch from image to video mode. Before doing anything else, let's pick our aspect ratio, usually whatever fits where you plan to post it. Then let's upload my image. In this case, I'm dropping in a simple photo of a cat. Once it loads, let's type a short, clear prompt. I've noticed simple prompts works best, so something like make the cat blink naturally is perfect. The AI follows motion instructions really well if you keep them specific. After generating, let's compare the result and pick the version I like most. From there, we can tweak it, regenerate, or just download it. If everything looks good, let's hit download, and it saves instantly. Simple input, clean motion, done. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.